This is your sneak peek at the April 2026 release at Trinity Stamps. We have 3 standalone dies and 3 stamp and die combos, and we have also some embellishments, of course. So let's take a quick peek at this brand new release. First up, we have our Arcade Machine Builder die set. This is going to create an entire arcade game that is complete with joysticks and buttons, coin returns, a screen, and even a little marquee there for you to put some words. So this is really fun. Layers that are going to give you all the details that you've come to know and love from Trinity Stamps. Next, we have a stamp set that could go with your arcade, and that's the 8-bit birthday. So this has got a lot of sentiments in it. You can see you can fit some of them up in here with the word arcade and happy birthday. You have a cake and a lot of sentiments and even some numbers here. So that's really fun. You've got little things like 25 cents, insert coin to play, just some really fun things, a birthday cake, a single candle, and there are dies that are going to cut out all of these things for you. They're going to cut out the individual words, and you want to make sure and check the back of your packaging because it's going to show you what dies cut out what things. It's very helpful. Now, if you like that and you love that 8-bit look, then you're going to love this new 8-bit alphabet set. So this is going to have every single letter plus some really fun images from games that you probably remember and are very nostalgic. So there's the dies to cut them out. Now you'll notice this die set is hooked together and needs snipped apart. That's because the pieces are tiny. So that's going to help make sure nothing gets lost. So there's that one. And then we move on to another completely standalone die set, the A2 window box card. Now when this lays flat, it's A2 sized, and then it's going to pop open and make a 3D window box. And this is going to work with the other things that I'm about to show you, as well as that arcade game. You could have work with this if you wanted as well. So we have that, and then this is going to bring this window box card to life in the most fun way. So this is the Gashapon machine. You might recognize some of the pieces here, and it's going to turn this into what we commonly call the claw machine. And it's got the little balls there that you can fill it with, and just really fun. All the little details that you can add to it, especially this one right here. I'm going to show you what that is. But you also can fill it with stuffies. Look at all of these stuffies here and sentiments that you can fill your Gashapon machine. And there's dies to cut them out. It's just really super cute. So we're going to set this aside and look at a few card samples with these new sets. First up, I want to show you this arcade game that I turned into a shaker, but you can see all the details here in that die set. You've got your little buttons, your joystick, your frame here that's a screen, and then this lovely piece right here where you can put the words. Isn't that cool? And there you can see that 8-bit stamp set, level up, ×2 hearts, and then the loading. Isn't that fun? And this fits on a mini slimline sized card. So we have that, and then we have this one that is a shaker card. So you can see it says press here to play, and it lights up those candles. Isn't that so fun? Look at all the little pieces you can add to this. The little buttons, it's just really cool. And there's even dies here that help your screen look 3D. So fun. And then you can keep this plain. It doesn't have to be interactive. You can easily make this little character. Plus, this little character is in the 8-bit alphabet. I'll show you that on another card in just a second. You can add some enamel dots to these. And I love how this brings the mini slimline size to life. So if you have any mini slimline dies, these are going to work great with those as well. Okay, so now let's go on to the box card. So here's the box card itself. It's going to have these pieces here that you can put in to add your elements to, and they'll show through in the window. I've turned this into the Gashapon machine. Isn't that cool? And that piece I told you I would show you that was really cool in the die set creates that slider. And you can use the snap and slides or snap and spins from pear blossom press to create this fun look. It fits it perfectly. And then there's all those stuffies inside. And again, with the fun details that really bring this to life. You can create windows on the side of this as well if you want, and you can also create this window. There's drop-in dies for that. So that's the box card with the Gashapon machine add-on and the stuffy stamp set. All right, so now this one is made using that 8-bit alphabet set. Remember all the fun images in this set? Yeah, those are what I use to create this background. And then the 8-bit stamp set is for these sentiments here. And inside this shaker are some new embellishments. So there's new embellishments on a few of these cards. So let's go ahead and look at those next. All right, we have brand new sparkle stars, and they're in these 3 different colors. So these are like sparkle spots, but they're star shaped. They're in different sizes and they have the glitter on them. So these are bubblegum sparkle stars. We have the tangerine sparkle stars and the electric sparkle stars. Aren't those so fun? I did use these in my arcade shaker card. So you can see them in there. And I also put in some chunky shreds, which you might remember from the last release. So I think that is really cute. All right, what else do we have for you? All right, we got a wide variety of flat embellishments here that are very shiny with an iridescent finish. They're all very flat. These are the alphabet or letter bits. And you can see there's the alphabet in there. They're shiny in different colors. Very cool. You could use these to spell something out. You could put them in a shaker mix. And then we have the number bits. Same thing. And all of these have little confetti bits in them as well. All right, then we have this one, which I've already used a bunch of, the Pixel Pop. You can see all the different squares there. I used this in my Miss Pac-Man shaker. Isn't that fun? It's very 80s to me. I love that. Look at these circles and rings. These are the radiant rings, and I just love that color mix. Really fun. And then stars. I love stars. Look at this mix right here that has those open stars. It's like the outline of a star in all those different colors. And also there's the fallout centerpieces, teeny tiny stars in here. So this is the tiny pastel stars. But wait, I have even more embellishments. These 2 embellishments are exclusive to the Trinity Stamps shop. You won't be able to find these anywhere else. These are the Star Fall Shimmer and Star Gleam. So the Star Gleam is like a mix of different kinds of embellishments. It's got stars, moons, rhinestones, baubles. It's really cool mix. And then these are little rounded stars. Instead of the points of a star, you've got the cute little rounded stars. I think these are precious. They'd be really cute in a baby card, but just for anything. I love a rounded star. So these again are the exclusive mixes. There's also a clay element mix that creates the little balls that go in a Gashapon machine. So you can look for those with this release as well. And we are going to have a hop. This is going to be my video for the Trinity Stamps hop on release day, which is April 2nd. So Thursday, April 2nd, you will be able to see and shop for this release. Also, you're going to be able to get tons more inspiration with our full release video and our hop that we're doing with the entire creative team. You'll see a hop on Instagram at Trinity Stamps LLC. That's our handle on Instagram. And then you'll see the full release video and links to all the hop videos from our designers on April 2nd on this YouTube channel. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and be sure to check back on April 2nd for the inspiration and for shopping this brand new release. We are also going to be unveiling a brand new anatomically adorable set that's going to make your tummy very happy. All right, we'll see you back here this week with more sneak peeks and for the big release on April 2nd. See you then, and happy stamping. Bye.